In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a clickable link on Craigslist. Whether you're advertising a product, service, or simply trying to drive traffic to a website, adding a clickable link can be a game changer for your Craigslist post. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to make this happen. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Craigslist website. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top bar where you'll find the Account option. Clicking on Account will take you to a page that lists all your active and inactive posts. This is where you can manage your listings easily. Next, you need to locate the specific listing that you wish to edit. Scroll through your listings until you find the one you're looking for. Once you've found it, click on the Edit button associated with that particular listing. This will open up the post in an editable format. Now that you're in the editing mode, look for the Edit Post option within this section. Click on it to enter the main body of your post. This is where you'll be able to make changes to your content, including adding that all-important clickable link. To insert your link, scroll down to the description box of your post. This is the area where you'll want to paste your URL. However, Craigslist doesn't automatically convert plain text URLs into clickable hyperlinks, so you'll need to manually format this. You can type out the full link, starting with http://change:// or https:// to ensure that users can easily copy and paste it into their browser's address bar. Once you've pasted the link into the description box, double-check it to make sure it's accurate. A small typo can lead potential visitors to an error page instead of your intended destination. So it's crucial to verify that every character is correct. After you've ensured that everything looks good, you can proceed to save your changes. Look for the Continue button at the bottom of the page, which will guide you through the rest of the steps to finalize your edits. Once completed, your post will be updated with the clickable link included. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can effectively add a clickable link to your Craigslist post, making it easier for viewers to access your website or any additional information you wish to share. Thanks for watching, and happy posting!